In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling AI prompts online. First is the business model. People are making thousands of dollars selling AI prompts. Platforms like Etsy offer a marketplace for selling prompt specs. Second is where to sell a prompts. Etsy, search ChatGPT prompts to see successful sellers, or other platforms like Gumroad, Ko-fi, and personal websites. Third is to how to get AI prompts to sell. It's just so simple. Create your own. Develop prompts for different niches like social media, e-commerce, or art. Buy and sell. Purchase prompt packs with resale rights like PLR or MRR from sites like tipseason.com or Shop. Fourth is to maximizing sales. Use the right keywords when listing on Marketplace, study competitors to improve your listing, and sell in bundles for better value. Fifth is the bonus opportunity. A course on making money with AI and ChatGPT is launching soon. Pre-sale available. Check the link for details. Like and share this video and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.